So, in order to create a link for your online course or synchronous education, first of all, browse to AUM eLearning platform, which is once again elearning.aum.edu.jo. And after successful login, as you can see from here, browse to your course that you want to create the link inside it. As a shortcut, you can go from here directly. This will list for you all the courses that you are enrolled inside as a teacher. Select the desired course. Make sure that editing is on. Now, we have to select a place to set the link, the online course link inside it. The best place to make it clear for the students is to be inside the announcement section. From the announcement section, click on Add an Activity or Resources. Then select Google Meet for Moodle. Here we will write down some configuration for the link. The name of the link, for instance, online course link. You can write down here a description or a brief about this link. Event date. These settings represent the starting of the course, the starting of the event itself or the course. So we can start, for instance, from today, 23rd of February 2020. Here we will set the timing for the class. We will select, for instance, from 8:30 to 10:30. That means that this session or class will last for 2 hours. After that, we will select repeat the event date above as follow. Repetition on. We will select the date and the days that we will have a class at, for instance, Monday and Wednesday. And the repetition going to be is every 1 week. This value here, repeat until, represents the end of the semester. Well, that means that from 23rd until 23rd of June, we will have classes. After all of this, we will hit generate room URL. The system will show us a pop-up window which asks us about the email that we want to use as a teacher. So select your account, AUM account. Make sure that you will select not the private one. Select the AUM account. And now we have the link created directly without the need to go to Google Calendar. After that, I think all of this has been done and accomplished. You have extra settings that you can accomplish, but what we did is more than enough to create the link. Hit save, and as we can see from here, the link has been created. When we want to start the online meeting or the class, simply click on online course link, and after that, enter the room. If you are using more than one account at your machine or your PC, make sure that here you have your mail account, the official mail account. Otherwise, hit switch and then log in again by using the AUM account instead. And that's it. Now we will talk about how to start recording the course meeting or the classroom, and then how to publish the recorded files into Moodle platform. To do that, let's start a meeting. join. We can start from more option from here, from the dots, and then click on record the meeting. Hit start, and the meeting, the recording will start within seconds. Here we go. The recording has been started. After finishing the course or the meeting, you can stop recording simply by click stop recording or simply leave the call. It's going to take a while when Google finish saving the recorded session or the recorded meeting, and after a while Google will send you an email notification to tell you that the recording has been saved and uploaded to your Google Drive. So should we go to Google Drive and, as we used to do, share the file and then copy the link and paste it inside the Moodle, inside the course itself? Not anymore. We did the integration. If you go back to the course and click back to the link, the online link that has been created before, at the bottom of the page, click on Sync with Google Drive. The system will ask you for verification. Select your mail account, the official one, and the system will start, synchronizing inside this table. System will bring automatically all the recorded classes related to this course inside this table. And for the student, he will simply click on play to start playing the meeting. For you as a teacher, you can edit the name of the recorded session, or even hide that recording from the student. So that's it. Now we will talk about how to back up a course and restore it. This process is very handy and useful to make a backup for a certain course for future use, or in our case, to migrate your course if you want to make use of it for the coming semester. To do that, let's browse to the old e-learning platform, as we can see here, moodle.aum.edu.jo. Navigate to the administration block, then click on backup. A wizard will start, and this wizard will ask you about the elements that you want to be included inside the backup process. Default is good. Let's go to next, and then next. This is a summary for the items which is included, as we said, inside the backup process. Let's perform a backup now, and we are done. Inside this table, you will see the backup files for this course. Let's download the file. As we can see, now we have a backup which has been saved locally at our machine, and we can archive it as well. At our scenario, we want to migrate this course from the old platform to the new one. So let's go to the new e-learning platform. We want to implement an import process inside this course. So we'll go to settings, import, process, restore. Okay, and then we will drag and drop the archiving file, and then we will click restore, then continue. Now the system will ask you, do you want to merge the backup course into this course, or delete the content of this course, the current course, and then restore it? It depends on the needs of the teacher. In our scenario, we will select the second option. Okay, next. Next. And perform store. Continue. Now, as you see, we have now an exact copy for the course that we did or implement a backup process from the old e-learning platform.